Do you know that insulin resistance isn't just about sugar or carbs? Hormones play a big role. Hey, I'm Steve, health coach and herbalist. Feel free to reach out to me via Facebook, Ready for Natural Healing, YouTube, or email. It's all on screen. In this video, we're going to dive into women and hormones and how insulin is affected in our 30s, 40s, and 50s. Also, we'll look at actionable steps that we can take starting today. In our early 30s, there are hormone shifts, stress that comes from various sources like more responsibilities at work, married, children, usually sleep loss, and the pancreas starts working harder. There are subtle declining levels of progesterone and fluctuating estrogen as well. These hormones help regulate sleep and mood, and when their balance is disrupted, it can trigger metabolic changes. Now, high or imbalanced hormone levels can lead to insulin resistance, so good sleep is key. Poor sleep typically equals higher insulin levels. Now, let's take a look at our late 30s and early 40s, especially. Perimenopause. Usually during this time, we have declining estrogen levels, which decrease the body's sensitivity to insulin. And this can equal insulin resistance, higher blood sugar levels. Now, fluctuating and declining progesterone levels can worsen stress and cortisol, which also contribute to blood sugar spikes. Higher cortisol raises blood glucose. Now, the body struggles to regulate glucose, resulting in fluctuations that can cause fatigue, cravings, and energy dips, especially after eating. Definitely, we want to pay more attention and make adjustments to our diet. Healthy fats, greens, protein, and fiber, and also controlling those carbs. Better sleep, and also movement. Hormones are changing, so our lifestyle needs to adapt. Now let's take a look at our late 40s and 50s. Postmenopause equals lower estrogen, which equals insulin resistance, or at least the risk increases. Because estrogen improves insulin sensitivity, less estrogen leaves women more vulnerable as we age. This is why we'll see weight gain. So this is a key time to definitely make some diet adjustments. Again, going back to those healthy fats, greens, protein, and fiber, and controlling those carbs. We also need to ensure that we try to get better sleep and that our movement is weight-bearing or resistance, and it's not stressful, that we're not stressing the body out. Another key thing we want to do is support our nervous system. Stress makes everything worse, especially in this age group. Polycystic ovary syndrome. And for many women, insulin resistance isn't just about age, because conditions like polycystic ovary syndrome can cause insulin resistance even in your 20s or 30s. This throws off estrogen, testosterone, and progesterone. The result is more androgens. Androgens are hormones like testosterone that women do make in small amounts, but when it gets too high, it disrupts ovulation, it increases facial hair, causes acne, throws cycles out of balance. Other conditions like thyroid dysfunction, adrenal imbalances, or chronic stress can also mess with our hormones and insulin response. Some of the key things that we want to look at is nutrition. We want to give the body the fuel it needs to repair. I'll say it again, our protein, our healthy fats, our greens, fiber. We want to control those carbs, no refined carbs especially. Sleep gives us time to repair, it gives the body time to repair. Movement is needed for repair and strengthening. Our muscles use glucose. This is why building muscles at a good pace that our body can handle is a good thing to do. Modifying the above things here could cause less need medication. Now, of course, keep in communication with your qualified health professional. Also, I want to mention herbs. They're not a shortcut. I often talk about building a good foundation or working towards that good foundation and then incorporating herbs. Again, herbs are not the shortcut nor the cure-all. If your energy, sleep, weight, or cravings or other things are feeling off, don't ignore it. It's not just aging. It could be hormones and insulin talking. So let's remember to listen to our body and support it, because when you understand the why, we can change the how. If this kind of support feels helpful, check the description for more help with my guides and newsletter. It's very real life and not overwhelming. Stay tuned for upcoming challenges or resets. Thank you and take care.